In this video series, we're going to go over another aspect of your inventory management, the process of reordering more products. In this specific video, we'll show you how to add a supplier, and then in the following video, we'll show you how to reorder products from that supplier. To start, let's go ahead and add a supplier. Navigate to Settings and Supplier Setup. From here, click the Add New button on the left-hand side, and then you can add various details about your supplier, including the contact information, an address, notes about the supplier, and more. Once you've added the details for the supplier, you can click Save. Now that you've added a supplier, you can assign suppliers to your products. To do this, you have two options. You can either do it individually or in bulk. To do it individually, you would navigate to Inventory and Inventory Management. From here, you can click on any product to view the product details screen. You would scroll to the Supplier Information section and then choose the supplier from the specific dropdown. You also have the ability to add other details, such as a supplier SKU if they use a different SKU than you, whether you order it by the case, the cost of the product, and other custom settings. Ecomdash also calculates the average cost for the product based on past purchase orders. Now, the second option is the ability to assign a supplier to multiple products in bulk. This can be done through our import formats. For more information on how to use our import formats, additional information has been added to the description below. Now, once you've assigned the supplier to your products, you have a lot of different opportunities. You can use the supplier to filter your inventory. To do that, you would go to Inventory and Inventory Management. From here, there's a drop-down menu on the left-hand side where you can filter by suppliers. This is helpful when reviewing your inventory and also for exporting specific inventory out of Ecomdash. Now that you've added a supplier in Ecomdash, you can reorder more stock. In our next video, we'll discuss the workflow of a purchase order and also how to reorder products from your supplier.